one of the main DevOps objectives is faster software development and delivery, we can't shortcut quality or security. With a recent surge in data breaches, denial of service attacks, and ransomware, security has never been of greater concern. The impacts of such breaches or attacks can have significant impacts on operation, revenue, and reputation. Automation and validation of static and dynamic application security testing is vital to ensuring that it does not slow the speed of software development and delivery. Today, I'm going to show you how to use FlexDeploy to streamline code and application scanning to continuously deliver secure code and mitigate risk. There are many static and dynamic services that FlexDeploy integrates with, but in this example, I will be using a static code scanning service called PMD to scan a Salesforce project. First, I'm going to show you how FlexDeploy triggers a scan while building an application. Let's get things started by submitting the build request. And then we can have a look at the steps currently being executed on the project. Currently, we have a workflow which is configured to build and scan our code when a build is requested. If we were integrating with a dynamic scanning service like Acunetics or Anchor, the scan would be triggered on a deploy instead, because dynamic scans require a running application instead of static code. After the build is completed, we're now able to see the results of the scan. We can see on the execution summary screen here that there's a quick heads-up display, which would give developers a quick insight into any issues the scan had found. However, for more information, we can navigate to the Scan Results tab. Now that we're on the Scan Results page, we're able to get a much more in-depth look about the possible issues or vulnerabilities found in the code. We are able to easily filter the results, either by severity or by a text filter, in case some particular issues are more important to us than others. There are even direct links to documentation for scan rules which have been violated in the scan, along with best practices and tips for resolving these errors. In this case, it links to PMD's documentation. The scan also generated a more detailed, downloadable report, which can be used internally for auditing or more detailed analysis later. This can be viewed on the Reports tab here. You can also trigger dynamic scans as well as view the results in pipeline steps, which can be very beneficial to application security. In this example pipeline, the execution is stopped if critical or high vulnerabilities or issues are found at this security gate. Having the results in the pipeline provides not only automation, but enforces through process that these issues or vulnerabilities do not make their way down the line to production. And that's all there is to triggering and then viewing a scan inside FlexDeploy. In this video, we explored on how static and dynamic application security testing can be automated, enabling faster software delivery while reducing security risk.